Today we're making a ginger lemon iced green tea that's bright, cool, and perfect when you need something refreshing. Fresh ginger, lemon, green tea, and ice come together to create a simple drink that's bright, light, and easy to enjoy. Let the green tea and fresh ginger steep for about 3 to 5 minutes so the flavor stays smooth, light, and balanced. Fresh lemon brightens everything up and gives the tea a clean, refreshing finish without feeling too strong. Pouring the tea over ice helps everything become cool, crisp, and ready to enjoy on a warm day. Want more easy ideas like this? Visit the Yum Shop and join the email list for more cozy kitchen inspiration. Cool, bright, and simple enough to make any time you want something fresh and refreshing. Before you go, you'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. I'll see you next time with another simple and flavorful idea.